Daddy, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Let's on the diary.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna be making a song like Billie Eilish. And I'm gonna teach you how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, Billie is like one of my favorite artists right now. She makes some pretty, we could say, default music. If you try to put it towards some other type of music and try to compare and contrast, you can't find anybody that's really like doing the same exact songs as her unless they came out after her. So yeah, the sound that I'm going for is more of, I don't even know what song I'm gonna make it sound like. All right, but first things first, we gotta either find a beat on YouTube or make one. In this situation, I'll be making it. We don't really need any drum pads or anything. That's why I got the full-fledged keys. You know what I'm saying? Today, just gonna power that bad boy on. And I'm finna switch camera angles on your bitch ass. So yeah, Billie's beats or acoustic sounds or key sounds all are really simple, and I'm just gonna keep it simple, stupid, and overlay all of the mixed down sounds that I create. So you guys are gonna see my fingers on the keyboard, but while they're here on the keyboard, they're probably not really making the beat as we speak because I already made it previous before I recorded this. So yeah, you're just gonna hear it overlaid, and I'm gonna try to, you know, mimic what I did to make the beat with the keys. So yeah. So yeah, like I said, if you see my fingers moving a little bit, you know, I'm not really playing right now. What's overlaid on the track is what I made. So yeah, cool. Just watch me do this for a while. Okay. So yeah, since we're done with that, we're gonna listen to it out loud. I'm gonna try to freestyle something right now before we start recording. So yeah. Give me my honest, surely to survive. Make me think about it. Keep me safe tonight. And I wonder what the angels think. I wonder what the angels think. And I wonder what the angels think. I wonder what the angels think. Hold on to me until I lose sleep. Hold on to me until I'm lose sleep. So yeah, pretty much that was some terrible singing. Gonna have to go and drink something and clean this up. Move this piano, and I'll start recording. Yeah, now we're finna record the song featuring broken headphones. That I could say to anybody that tries to like make this style of music like Billie Eilish, either you can do the ukulele style that she has, and that's low-key like kind of far from this range of singing. This is more like her song with Khalid, and yeah, pretty much all you really need is really some dark vocals. Like make your vocals fit the track, I guess. With her, all you really need is dark vibes, or no, I don't think talking about heartbreak over and over again is like Billie's thing at all. So yeah, it's more of a dark vibe. Talk about your own self. Some depression here and there, you know, season some salt there, season some other stuff there, some pepper here. So yeah, I'm gonna play the beat out loud so y'all can keep up with me. Give me money, love me through the night, make me think about it. Could you keep me safe tonight? I wonder what the angels think. I wonder what the angels think. Oh, so for my secondary vocals that's sitting under them, shitty mic quality still. I know. But yeah, let's get it. So I'm just gonna play the instrumental out loud one more time for you guys to keep up with me and keep up with where I am. So yeah. So yeah, that's done. I'm gonna hook the mic back up to the camera and I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm just gonna play the song right here. I don't know if you guys wanna hear it 1 minute or 30 seconds. I'll give you guys like 45, I guess. guys should tell me your opinions on the song down below in the comment section.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.